Young quiet cases in my own robbers, dear. Kisia Jabin number 1. And you be ready can see no for this in bottom. Paul now the man special prosecutor, a top money, a office. Kisia Jabin says so or 2 point. None travel allowances. And you're the free $200,000 in qua.
Enti OSP Kisia Jabin aso kenofrata page, you know. Now Bruno Regional PP chairman. Abronye DC. Kwame Bafa Abronye. Also abo OSP minimum pampe. Since I'm going to say that was Enra. And Abronye DC ever life. No buy no. Any expose party. Say OSP no person. Or no man kenofrata tough time no. Say and near my shadow tone. And near my share OSP to corruption pa OSP eteso. I don't know so about corruption. And yes, Abronye abe exposing na amount of figures be as kabidi na Abronye abebo pa no. I was OSP etimba bontene eba be chiri mu. I Penyah Brock Media. I'm sure say any day mo. Over like video now that my subscribe button and some can keep notification and notifications update. Now better the why you dey am e comment section. No so baswa. No she be no for any be ashe. In the October year 2024 no this year 2025 out of nowhere OSP I say wabenya film B gidi film B that I said previous years and into OSP I was even asking myself say na OSP crime under MPP all these corruption scandals also why didn't you take action on them? What I say why didn't you carry them on? I just say is enka buying as a son is enka government as a son the anka you forever remain quiet and I say and yet, but he was waiting for the appropriate time to, execute, punishment, and that's what accepted. Nice. Now, OSP we have more said this year, there, or Mark for that tough time. Ever since somebody wanted and figurative, I can't say, or any prime a bar, or didn't gen munyam, so yana, or do or did Knofrata edgy didn't gen munyam Ghana for instance, I may upon a person to OSP, or Mark Knofrata tough time. Now, and someone if you're going to come back for Abronye. Other way, and some cry by said, Yoko cry, I will pick it up. OSP, I will pick up running in a force. Not a force, and so OSP, as we hear Abronye for investigation, you can say be any other day, Ninano, not a force. Now, Enra, and I'll come back for Abronye, a bar life on Ohia TV. The TV station will be an Oba life. Now, Obayan said also be exposed OSP. Efa 146 million cedis bi just sika bia Abronye abebo dance ni nyina no eye sika just afa OSP nsem any sika OSP tukwa bia ye de oman no ebo no ka ede ma no corruption scandals bia OSP aya just etire din no te ho se okwachi obi no ensma Abronye abeka rusua yenkoni nkotie nimra
Yenim day one say yeah my position. Ne say obi kwaya recommendation. I know your best student Ghana School of Law Onimadie or Cornell University. Akwaya ne masters anyone and so what? Kisi ajabin. And Timatiame do kwaya no way or Cornell University or criminal law our Ghana School of Law our mo pension 2003 class our Ghana School of Law no Kisia Jabin asisa ni nyina osisa ni nyina ye okwase bi wo ha onya book no bie na nia ohwe book no musa ompejanity or exams ni hwia on kai review your friend keep pass and forget and no sani pan your friend Onimadie. Iti mo twa Kisia Jabin on nam krom ha yi no mo oso obi Onimadie.
Continue.
Ya oni pa bi wo ha se me sua de akopase exam se wo ho ane nya me sua de mana ka mitimi obisa na obetima mawo answers obetima kai ama wo kwase no solution no mo so wo ho enye Kisia Jabin a ye so si ni ti ase sini tiase saa on paganity into onya first class and our papers no ni nyina best student and no obetima special prosecutor no yankwaye cases ma an robbers dia Kisia Jabin number 1 and obehura dikan sia no akwaji sketch bottom say robbery case bi akoso eno dia ne practice mu nyina no say robbery case bi akoso ene ntempa obeduru ho obakono na ye omo lawyer na say no sanipa when some of us we saw it and ye ka president Akufo-Addo say Kisia Jabin no munya first class na ye no bi no nim law no nchen you kisi ja be nim launch me amemtie enti first class no ye no bi no enyensa money ne ayi a wo motete ye grade so seka first class ye ntu enya obi wa town to grade no beti so by no de manya me second class apa manya me komba bi o me no obi ani asem obi first class ni nka hu
Continue.
platform bia wo ba bia no mo ti sa kisi ajaben no enye oye good onya first class oye so nim o ma yensia independent platform no mo en exam ye mienu ni enhwe se law no onim ampa me se onim law no yenyintum otisala ya ba ko na otise kantamanto court no okwana se kantamanto ma no adom ni court a no nya wie se pa ma no kro no mase no mase so ma ye ne papa ma ne court no bio onya se wia no akwa akotena onya nsa chen bia enti oduru court dem ma no da fam sa kantamanto dom for lawyer no sa na sa akwa na tutie.
What are you saying?
Na no men kwatia yesi ono so court or the Abronye court na the Abronye court wa besi nei wonim law no na se wonya men serve me a se wonim law no pa electronic service under the CI 47 as amended ewom se wonim law no pa na se wo se wasama Abronye na wonya na electronic service under the CI 47 as amended. Follow that process and na be serve me. Post na ye the man special prosecutor a top money a office. O me prosecute obi a o be prosecute government budget ye the amano o prosecute government budget no e wo ni bottom.
Continue.
Montia ni yo atiefo ne ahwefo. Me see kisi ajaben. Okwa emra no mu a office of the special prosecutor act na oba prosecute corruption related cases ba ono dia ba nya no oyo fiti say o assuming office kisi ajaben assuming office 2020 to 2025 nie 5 years nie me boy adia o ya ni say government budget ya ye de man no or prosecute budget no won bottom nti horo so be prosecute government budget won bottom a chese wunya ne nche no
Continue.
yes on fasika no and fighting against corruption and on in sika no and fighting won no an bottom nti wan na behu ora mo amo misao matia medu 2 weeks ago aba ka trend say kisi ajaben se de yesika die no edoso krono no doso na me kra me kono me jaw 60 million Ghana cedis quantity scan 600 billion nyamana meka matia medu say kisi ajaben nka wo de anoma kra treaty a wo beyi ano kisi ajaben anoma kra treaty a ubeyi ano 2 weeks ago on the 3rd of June this month yeah Matiami do say all coffee no oja 60 million Ghana cedis titiskano 600 billion uba e what diskani nyina squandered or you should the word squandered. Evidence show report on the hono. Evidence show you can't hear the dance diaba. Matiamidu, what is squandered? I say OSP squandered 60 million I refuse to spend. And the hono. Matiamidu accuses Kisi Ajaben of physical irresponsibility. Physical irresponsibility. And American you know. Insel say obe ensure physical responsibility no. Onu ensure say physical irresponsibility because Chroma, who watches the watchman? Asem no koko wie say Who watches the watchman? Kisia Jabina yeso metu proye ne katasi ase no. Ono mom ene make sure say physical irresponsibility bekoso. Ene me di kan say ya de ne ba say o me prosecute corrupt related cases. But enye no TV viewers say anybody afidie ko Ghana nyina say Kisia Jaben says otu kwan none travel allowances any per diem and yet the free $200,000 in kwa free mira obey prosecutor. Se Kisia Jaben so obey prosecutor budget here ya de mano a move 55% there or the nyina to kwan e masika ne san what be bisa nsi ya on fan audit report mara and no year one on finish it from 2020 embassy 2025 akwantu Kisia Jaben what nyina no on finish Ghana for any the amount involved send no money to ya send an office in to on finish here na so finish here na say the American and yes ane a woman me cruise station
Continue.
man cruise me be cancel my mobianti
Hey.
on to me yet
Continue.
uncle respond to Matia me do swasem no say was Scandàl 60 million Ghana series on correspondent. Me me ma atwefo the new picture. Ekoso at the office of Omansika. Ye budget mo bi ma on dey tena say me di scanning nyina be to kwan. Ekwana me fa so anya scanner dini say. And this me di scanner ye den enyina etu kwan. Enti baabi kisi Jaben enya ne sika eya kwantuo because Kisia Jaben on tra kroma o what the Ghana at pa fiti mra ye appointing no as a special prosecutor what Ghana ha 2 weeks Kisia Jaben mo be woni se Kisi Jaben abagana bia no na obeye press conference atia oforata ana obeye press conference atia sisiri abranda pa asa or the office of the special prosecutor sika to kwanya on prosecute obia or prosecute sika no Ghana sika e won bottom na rehosem aban say nei teachers abantimi to teachers sika basa bankro ya esro Kisi Jaben abanwe entua nurse sika ama nurses and the almost strike just last week a teacher force so the enamu and now me no ka say crosak force what to bomb woman niama bi so kika na so boboba and so one agency 2025 so far appropriation act now 1126 at 1126 2025 third schedule section 1 item number 078 item number 078 third schedule section 1 of the Appropriation Act 1126 2025 item number Yaka president Asamo Kroma Yakasama Kasama and Tiamosi Yankat special prosecutor Asam make president Asam and Koba Biana special prosecutor On the me say 2 minutes.
Hey, are you seriously?
Become president, the president of the land, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. On him, some winning nam na me go so me until would you win your PR?
Continue.
Ah, yaka president asem na wo special prosecutor. Would you win your PR? I to throw no cry, can asem na special prosecutor. And now wo prosecute a man budget to bottom. Now your mouth after when Kwano, you make sure you can for the 146 million Ghana this year. What did this year? 1 year approval. You make sure you can for it.
Continue.
Now we are what catch they say a teacher phobia tamale.
Hey.
Producer break 3 minutes.
Are you seriously?
You be expose you. And pass your press conference here. Matiami you do better from. Or do better from. Where you are. The evidence, no. Where you are. I said that Tamale High Court has convicted 6 individuals for their roles in a payroll fraud scheme within the Ghana Education Service, which led to the wrongful payment of salaries to a former teacher. The conviction followed a plea bargaining agreement initiated by the Office of the Special Prosecutor, resulting in the full recovery of the misappropriated funds. Wait, and all this and one Samranio, or they kata squandered 60 million, when are they kata so? Now, 146 million, 146 million. Now we have a catch there, say. My year Jumama or mine Ghana man Faswa Baso and Faswa Bayan 106,000. Now I say, I JB Crow. And that's how I said, no, the producer was Saskawi 106,000. And you know, watch your teacher for me until why are dear, ye more munsam pra. What be a money some ma, Yabama who near ma woo ye, Sikakasia who did to quite. Would the Ben want to quite at the 106,000 to quanda? Ye be so. The Ben want to quand the 106,000 to quanda. Ye no back to na Kroma and a Macano. Say, Canoforate may catch us a Magana net and Matina. Special prosecutor nim Interpol Isua. On him Interpol Isua. Yenumobia. A high court issue bench warrant. Atiano, Obenam Kroma, and my mama national security born who by. Asande ne koye. Unim Interpol Isua. Obiti America ho. Ono de yedina sema buandara. 290 million Ghana cedis. Sikanoko fa Interpol ko fa nbra.
Continue.
Na me say, officer who prosecute sikano wo bottom enti etina obi ntimi nka ho asem. Ya boaboa niam na nyina no agu ho. Ya boaboa niam na no nyina agu ho. Now one day you will account for it. Ye mo binum je wo kroma de. And one thing me ano social media de na mo security Abronye beko yoko no. Mo nyimfiri ho mempe. Because mo de MPP de. Da bia nsamoni bia beba bia Abronye nkoye. Da bia nsamoni bia beba bia Abronye nkoye mempe. Wo da mo mfa mo yoko. Because me kwa ho a. De me de ba ye nipa no. Dia me be ye ni Paul Kroma no enye papa ntu de man me nan kokora because me kwa wa wo de bia nim sa me fedi ye energy ya ntu da mo ma me energy fedi ya bi na me nkotena o enye sa yoko dia me kwa wa dia me be ye ni Paul Kroma no enye papa o maka say na nakwa kuburu sampa na betena asase so a because me nya so mumu a sankrofo we no me so mumu a me dia me ma obera me dia me nya so mumu a me dia me kwa yoko wa a me nko kwa dia me nko because surety no make at say compare dead person bra no me sign mo bi a wawu mo bi a wawu me da oba me mo sika me mfa sika nto so me mfa hwe na mo bi a wawu no konyane no nante e me sign e ma o me sign as a surety o wi nipa ne nsa ne nante nko ba bi a yesie ni cemetery ho me condition obey ma wi.
So when is someone come back for Abronye DC, you don't really have chama for MPP. Or a good friend. What is your view on that? So I your mom ever comment section. How you can